Suppose you got to count the number of pencils in your class, then how will you count? With the help of alphabets or colors? Absolutely not. How can you count with the help of ABCs or reds and blues? We will count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and go on. But what do we call this? Yes, we call this as numbers. Hello everyone, I'm Vanas. Today we are going to learn about knowing our numbers. Suppose Ben got 102 sticks. That's a lot of sticks, right? But Tom got 201 sticks. That's more than 102. So suppose you were asked to find who got the greatest number of sticks, then what would be your answer? Yes, it is easily. You can say that it is Tom, because he has 201 sticks, but Ben has only 102 sticks. We were learning greater than, less than and equal to signs from childhood. So let's apply these signs in these numbers also. So this is called comparing. So the bigger number here we will put here, which is 201, and here we will put 102. Now we will put the greater than sign, which will face to 201. So here it means that 201 is greater than 102. Or you can just flip the 102 to our side and then keep a less than sign which will face to that side. Now if both our number and the opposite number is equal, then we will put equal to sign which has two horizontal lines like this. So if we have 51 sticks and the opponent also has 51 sticks, we will put equal to sign. Hope you understood comparing numbers.
Hey, do you know I got 10 lakh subscribers in my YouTube channel? You got less than mine. I got 1 million subscribers in my YouTube channel. But I got 10 lakh subscribers in my YouTube channel, which is greater than yours. How can yours be greater than mine?
To satisfy their problem, first we need to understand large numbers. Like, who knows 10,000 can also be 100 hundreds? I will explain it to you. First, we will take a 10,000 over here. It is a 1 followed by 4 zeros. Now, we should take the 100 and put it under the 10,000 and check how many incomplete zeros are there to be filled. So, there are 2 incomplete zeros. So, 2 zeros means 1 followed by 2 zeros is another 100. So, we should put another 100 there, and then it will be 100 hundreds. So, this means 10,000 is also 100 hundreds. Coming to the problem, in this problem, Ben has 10 lakh subscribers and Tom has 1 million subscribers. Now we should take 10 lakh over here. So it is a 1 followed by 6 zeros. Next, we will take a million and put it under the 10 lakh. After putting, we will observe that there will be the equal number of zeros in these two numbers. If these two numbers are equal, then why did we keep different names to these numbers? Because one is in Indian place value system and another is in international place value system. So I will now explain it to you. In Indian place value system, first ones, tens, hundreds. It is in ones table. Next is thousands table, which is thousands and 10,000s. And after thousands table, we will go on to lakhs table, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And next is crores table, crores and 10 crores. It goes on like this. But in international place value system, ones, tens and hundreds in ones table, same as Indian place value system, and in thousands table there will be another extra number in this table, like thousands, 10,000s and 100,000. So after 10,000, it directly moved to the next table in Indian place value system. But in international place value system, it is 100,000s. Means instead of being in another table, it is still in that table only. So you can also observe that in international place value system, once every 3 numbers, there will be a comma. But in Indian place value system, first 3 numbers. After first 3 numbers, there will be a comma. Then from 2 to 2 means thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, like that. But here, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, and go. So there will be more difference if we move on. After 100,000s, it will directly move on to million. So here million means 10 lakh. So next 10 million means here next table, which is at crores, and it will move on to 100 million, and here also it will be more. Then after million it will go to billion. Billion means 100 crores. Next, it will go on like this. Hope you understood large numbers.